Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the dry belt tensioner pulley assembly on 1998 Mercedes CL600 V12. Okay, so there is the tensioner pulley assembly. So because the pulley already broken, so now the tensioner assembly already show up, and there are about 3 bolts, one on top, one below, and one covered by the power steering pump pulley. So wait until the camera focused. Alright, it's already. So we got to remove the power steering pump pulley, okay, in order to remove the last bolt. The technique to remove these pulley is I use the flex head ratchet wrench and another flat head screwdriver to slide through the other 2 bolts to hold the pulley and then break loose the other bolt. So after removing the power steering pump pulley, we have to drive the power steering pump to the driver's side. So it means that so that we can have room to put out the tensioner assembly. Okay, so there's a slot for us to use the pry bar to pry it. Alright, now I will try to pull the tensioner assembly out. It's still blocked by power steering pump, so I will try to pry it a little bit further. Finally it's out. Hold the assembly, so that one is cracked. You see, it's gonna be looking like this. So with 3 bolts holes. So finally I can put back the power steering pump into the right position and then tighten up the bolts. Alright, now it's time to put the pulley back on the tensioner assembly and then the power steering pump pulley. Alright, to tighten up this pulley, you're gonna use the same technique, okay, using a flathead screwdriver and also the ratchet wrench to tighten them up. Okay, so after that, put back everything in the reverse order. So when we're done, we're gonna let the car idle about 20 minutes until the thermostat open, just to see if there's coolant leak, power steering pump leaks or something like that. But it looks good for me. So okay, everything looks good. Check for coolant if it's leaking somewhere and dropping. Alright, now everything done. We made it.